This tutorial shows you how to share a TikTok directly into a Snapchat chat. First, open the TikTok app on your device. After that, find the video you want to share. From there, tap on the share icon on the right side of the video. At this point, look through the list of apps shown in the share menu. In the next step, tap on the Snapchat icon if it appears in the list. Following this opens Snapchat directly with the TikTok video link ready to send. Once done, select the friend or group chat you want to send it to. From here, tap Send to share the TikTok video. At this stage, keep in mind the recipient will receive it as a clickable link rather than a native video playing inside the chat. Keep in mind, if Snapchat doesn't appear in the TikTok share menu, tap on Copy Link instead, then paste it manually into a Snapchat chat. Finally, exit back to your chat once the TikTok has been sent successfully. And that's it. If this guide helped you send TikTok videos to Snapchat users, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.